Lahat po ito ay nasa unprogrammed funds, FAP eh. Hindi po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ngayon po, itong subway project na ito ay flagship project ng gobyerno. Matagal na po nating inaasam itong subway na ito. In fact, in my research, itong blueprint for this subway project was or came up during the time of former President Ferdinand Marcos Sr. in the late 70s. Ganun po katagal yung subway project na yan. At nabuhay lang po ulit nung panahon ni former President Rodrigo Duterte. Pero nasa program funds po siya. Ang iniisip ko po, kung ito ay flagship project at talagang makakatulong sa ating mga kababayan, bakit po nasa unprogrammed funding or unprogrammed funds where there is risk of corruption that the funds will be misused at yung iba pang factors na negative that comes with unprogrammed appropriations, Madam Soljen. Bakit hindi na lang po siya sa program funds? That way, program yung local counterpart funding, program yung lender's part of the obligation or the proceeds, I mean, at tuloy-tuloy ang project. Hindi po ba?
Yes, Your Honor. It is the position of the respondents that it goes again to a policy question of the Congress.
Yes.
May I elaborate,
Yes.
Your Honor?